What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Buckeye State Overland. That is a loud truck. We are in Ohio. We're at the shop, and we're going to be working on the Turd. Now, here's what I have. I'll show you here. You currently have to put on the reverse mount, transverse mount, whatever it is. We got to cut out the old stuff. I have everything from the inboard to the outboard on driver, passenger, so we can get this thing done. Over here, the rest of the boxes are back here. And let's get this thing started. So an update here is I got most of the transverse, or whatever that big bracket is in the middle, most of that out. Thankfully it wasn't like welded in there, but here in the middle it is. And then I've got most of the inboard support out as well. So I will cut a little bit more here on the edges, and then I'll just grind it out, measure and tack the big one on there, get everything all lined up, tack everything together. I just took off those mounts. I'm tired. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Grab her. What are you doing, Brad? Come here. Come here. It is now day 2. It is Sunday. We're going to be working on the Turd again, but what we're going to accomplish today is we're going to actually mount those body mounts. Yesterday we took the old ones off. We're going to grind the rest of the stuff down, make it all smooth and flat, and then put the new ones on, kind of align it to where they need to be. We're going to line them up on where they need to go on the body, and then kind of tack them in place, and then we'll be good to go.
They hate when you elevate. They stacking up losses, I'm handing them out, yeah, I had to go delegate. They feel like I'm floating, I'm lost in the moment, I swear I could levitate. They never believed that I would really fly, I had to go demonstrate. I had to set them straight. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. Yeah, they hate when you elevate, elevate, elevate. They hate when you elevate.
The inboard support for the driver's side is on. Still have to put on the passenger side. That is what it looks like. I have it all supported here with a jack, rise it in the air, and then I had a clamp up here to hold it, as well as a clamp in the back there. Now just to do the other side. Thing is going to be removing the side glass out of the hardtop. Now the hardtop is from a CJ7. It's a long story, but I'm glad that I have a CJ7 hardtop for the rear window section, because I don't have to build a tailgate, and I think it's really cool, and the old school kind of lock that's in the center window. But as you can see, I obviously don't have one, but I will require one as soon as I can. So I have the other side removed as a test piece before I filmed it. So I've got the hardtop cut, got the rear section put on the rear corners here. I'm just gonna say this makes me extremely excited. I've had a vision for this thing for like 2 to 3 years, thinking about it nonstop, and this is just one of those moments where the visions become reality and you get to see it. I know it's not all the way together, but still, like, this is awesome.